Well, hello friends. So you've Googled, where do I get Grandpa for Christmas? Well, I've got some unusual ideas, and I think you're going to want to stay tuned for my top 5 suggestions. So think about it. Grandpas either have everything they need, or the things that they once thought they needed, they've given up on thinking that they need. So what are you going to do for a gift? Okay, criteria number 1. It can't cost too much. So the first suggestion is a bottle of Hops number 9 gun oil. This is a high viscosity oil engineered for precision machine parts. The other important feature is this precision oiling tip. For instance, the pivot on my knife just requires a tiny little bit of oil. That needle is the perfect implement to add a drop of oil. Perfect. So I'm sure Grandpa will find many different things to oil, even on Christmas morning. All right, gift idea number 2 for a grandpa. Recognizing there are all kinds of grandpas. I'm making a bunch of assumptions here, but they're very frugal. So this idea is affordable, but it's not something Grandpa either knows about or would spend the extra money on. And that is specialized heat shrink tubing. This particular kind is marketed as something for fishing rods, but it's something that you could use on a tool handle, and I'll show you how it can be used right now. All right, idea number 3, a big ass bag of assorted cotton swabs. Look at all of these swabs. Got a massive number of low lint swabs
to detail a car, woodworking finishing projects, different specialized cleaning projects. Grandpa will be able to use these up.
Now the packaging of this cotton swab assortment isn't amazing, but there's an alternative that might be interesting, and that is these microfiber wipes. Microfiber cloth on a paddle shape. So this will be good maybe for more fine electronics. Grandpa might not even know about this kind of thing. So idea number 4 is a Japanese serrated cardboard blade. The deal with this is that it has micro serrations on both sides, and it's a much safer blade for skin. It's designed for the repetitive tasks of breaking down a lot of cardboard. I broke down a whole set of cardboard that came with a bed frame. Now I put on some of the shrink wrap tubing on this handle. Consider this specialized blade as an idea for Grandpa. And pick one up for yourself while you're at it. Now on the topic of blades, here's my last idea. This is a Mora, made in Sweden, carbon steel, Scandinavian grind utility knife or bushcraft knife. I enjoy using it to break down this waxed cardboard that I use for my kindling. You can see how it slices through it buttery smooth. And because it's so affordable and tough, it begs to be used. So I hope you enjoy these suggestions for what to give as a gift to your grandpa. Now you might be thinking, isn't it weird to get my grandpa a bottle of high viscosity lubricant? And it is a little weird, but you could consider bundling it with a nice homemade card, and maybe one of the other items on this list if you can afford it. But if you're broke, if you're a grandkid, if you're a broke grandkid, Grandpa doesn't care about an expensive gift. So if you put in a little bit of effort to package it, write a nice card, you'll be all set. You could always give one of these LL Bean zip-up sweaters, but he's probably already got one of those. Have a happy holiday season, and we will see you on the next video.